wish you all the best. Go.
Next, the bride and groom will bow to the groom's mother.
Pull yourself together now.
The bride and groom will bow.
Who is it? Who's paging at this hour?
Who is this? I don't know who this is.
I thought I told you to dye your hair for the wedding. It's turning gray. You always want to nag at me about that. Oh, that girl. I took good care of my husband. She didn't look after her father. From now on, she can take care of her own husband.
Life never allows us to relish these moments for too long.
And you are?
Happiness arrives before us, but trouble approaches from behind.
Axarian, your partner. Where is he?